Hello and welcome to the video series of 100 days of AWS. Starting today for 100 days, I will show you some different services of AWS, and every day we are going to learn something new. I'm also going to upload my notes in a GitHub repository. So for that, I provided the link in the description box. You can go to that link and start working on it. Whether you are starting with me or you have joined late, you can just follow this series. So this series is completely free, and in case you are stuck and you have any question, you can reach out to me on Discord. Now this series is in 2 languages. I'm also creating this series in Hindi. अगर आपको हिंदी में ये पूरी सीरीज देखनी है तो आप नीचे गए लिंक पे जाकर कंप्लीट सीरीज देख सकते हैं. In this series, we are going to learn EC2, S3, Lightsail, DynamoDB, RDS. We will also use AWS CLI. We will also use Terraform. Also, if you're working for any AWS certification like Cloud Practitioner, Solution Architect, or any other AWS certification, and if you have any queries, you can reach out to me on Discord as well, and I will try to get the best resources for you so that you can clear your AWS certification. So let's get started with 100 days of AWS.